Counting by 100. Today we are going to count by 100 from 100 to 1000. Counting by 100 means we add 100 each time. We are jumping 100 numbers each time. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000. Good job. Share with families and educators who may benefit. Free worksheet link in the description.